Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you download and install the latest Docker desktop on your PC. So I'm using the Windows 11, so I'm gonna download this and install this, and let's do this. So at first we have to go to on google.com and search for Docker. Now click on this official website. You can see the docker.com. This is the official website, and we have to hover our mouse on product and click on Docker desktop here. And simply you have two options to download Docker desktop. Just hover the mouse here and you can see lots of operating system name. Here you can see, let's tell you that download for Mac, which is Apple Silicon processor used, and you have to download this if you are using the Intel chip on your Mac. And here you can see the download option for Windows 2. Download for Windows AMD 64. That's mean if you have AMD chipset on your computer, you have to download this. Otherwise, and also you can use for it for Intel also. And you can see the download for Windows ARM 64, which is for tablet and etc, and download for Linux. So we will go for our download for Windows. Click on it, and we have to wait a few minutes to download completed. And after download completed, we have to install it, and we have to do more things. And I will guide you step by step how to install successfully Docker desktop on your computer. Here we go. We have successfully downloaded the Docker desktop installer successfully. So just click on it to install it here. Now we have to give permission. Click on yes. Okay, you can see the configuration. We have to use WSL to instead of Hyper-V. It's recommended. And also you just simply allow the Windows settings to be used to this install and add to shortcut desktop. Click on OK here, and it will unpacking the files, and it will installing the Docker desktop 4.63.0, which is the latest Docker desktop version in 2026. So it will take a minute to install successfully Docker desktop on your PC. So we have to wait a few minutes. Let's wait a minute to unpacking the files, and after it will installing. So let's wait. Now you can see our Docker desktop 4.63.0 installation succeed. So let's close this and let's check its work or not. So we have to go on CMD. Sorry for using the camera. CMD. And let's type Docker space dash version. Okay, this is the Docker version 29.2.1, but we have installed the Docker. So let's at first open our Docker desktop here. So we have accepted the terms. Okay, you can use your Gmail or any email to using sign in the Docker, but we can skip this. Let's skip on this. So starting the Docker engine. Docker engine is the underlying technology that runs containers. It will take a minute. So let's see the Docker engine. Let's click on Docker engine, and you can see the Docker engine version is 29.2.1. You can see that Docker version 29.2.1 and build is this. So here we successfully installed the Docker desktop here. So if you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.